First of all, I'm not a financial advisor. Do not do anything based off this TikTok, guys. Please, this is not financial advice. So with that being said, I would pick Amazon solely on the basis of valuation. Let me explain. Coca-Cola is currently trading, I think, at a 25, 30, trailing 12-month P, which is just ridiculous. It's astronomical considering they have practically no revenue growth, right? And obviously, the more revenue growth and more growth in the future a business has, the higher, premium you're going to pay for that company. So for Coke to be at a P that high and a company like Meta, for example, to be at a 10, 11 P is just crazy, right? So Coke right off the bat, based off valuation, is thrown out of here, right? So that's number one. And number two is Lululemon. Truthfully, I don't know much about the business, and I've never actually used their products. So for me, my kind of rule of thumb, one of my rule of thumbs when it comes to investing is not to invest in a business that you don't, well, I understand Lululemon. I mean, at the end of the day, guys, they make clothes, right? That's not that hard to understand, but I'd rather invest in a company that is more dominant in the world, let's put it that way, and has a bigger economic moat, which means it's harder to compete, right? Harder to compete with that company. And in this case, the hardest company to compete with is probably Amazon at the end of the day. Coca-Cola makes soft drinks, snacks, right? Lululemon makes clothes. Those businesses you can eat, well, not easily, but there's more competition. And then we have Amazon, which little to no competition. Let's be honest, guys. And that stock is down, I think, 40, 50 something percent. Maybe not 50%, but it's down a lot over the past couple of months, probably over the past year at this point. So I know that's a long-winded answer, 2 minutes. But yeah, I'd pick Amazon. But again, please do your own research, guys. This is not financial advice. Keep that in mind. Let me know your thoughts. Follow along for more. I'll see you later.